Human nature is complex and multifaceted, and as a result, we possess both strengths and weaknesses. While our strengths have helped us make tremendous progress in science, technology, and society, our weaknesses have also posed significant challenges to our well-being and advancement. Historically, philosophers and religious scholars have attempted to define and understand human weaknesses. However, in recent times, scientific research in fields such as psychology, neuroscience, and evolutionary biology has shed new light on our weaknesses, offering insights into why they exist and how they can be mitigated. In this video, we present a comprehensive analysis of the 10 weaknesses of human nature, highlighting the latest scientific research on each weakness. 1. Fear is a fundamental human emotion that is essential for survival. However, excessive fear can hinder our ability to take risks, explore new opportunities, and make progress. Recent research has shown that fear can be mitigated through exposure therapy, mindfulness, and cognitive behavioral therapy. 2. Greed is the desire for more material possessions than one needs. Recent research has shown that greed is associated with negative outcomes such as reduced happiness and well-being. Greed can be mitigated by practicing gratitude, generosity, and focusing on non-materialistic goals. 3. Envy is the feeling of discontent or resentment towards someone who has something that we lack. Recent research has shown that envy is associated with reduced happiness and well-being. Envy can be mitigated by focusing on one's own goals and achievements, practicing gratitude, and cultivating empathy. 4. Anger is a natural human emotion that can be helpful in certain situations. However, excessive anger can lead to negative outcomes such as violence, aggression, and damaged relationships. Recent research has shown that anger can be mitigated through anger management techniques, mindfulness, and cognitive behavioral therapy. 5. Laziness is the tendency to avoid work or exertion. Recent research has shown that laziness is associated with reduced productivity and well-being. Laziness can be mitigated by setting clear goals, breaking tasks into smaller steps, and rewarding oneself for progress. 6. Pride is the feeling of satisfaction or accomplishment in one's achievements. However, excessive pride can lead to arrogance, overconfidence, and poor decision-making. Recent research has shown that pride can be mitigated by practicing humility, seeking feedback, and focusing on learning and growth. 7. Lust is the strong desire for sexual gratification. Recent research has shown that excessive lust can lead to negative outcomes such as addiction, infidelity, and reduced well-being. Lust can be mitigated by practicing self-control, developing healthy relationships, and seeking professional help if needed. 8. Gluttony is the excessive consumption of food or drink. Recent research has shown that gluttony is associated with negative outcomes such as obesity and reduced well-being. Gluttony can be mitigated by practicing mindful eating, portion control, and developing healthy diet. 9. Procrastination is the tendency to delay or postpone tasks. Recent research has shown that procrastination is associated with reduced productivity and well-being. Procrastination can be mitigated by setting clear deadlines, breaking tasks into smaller steps, and prioritizing important tasks. 10. Impulsiveness is the tendency to act on impulses without considering the consequences. Recent research has shown that impulsiveness is associated with negative outcomes such as addiction, risky behavior, and reduced well-being. Impulsiveness can be mitigated by practicing self-control, mindfulness, and seeking professional help if needed. In conclusion, human weaknesses are a significant challenge to our well-being and advancement. However, through scientific research, we can better understand these weaknesses and propose ways to mitigate their negative effects. It is our hope that this video will contribute to ongoing efforts to address these weaknesses and promote human well-being and advancement. Thank you for watching.